Well, guys, after much trial and tribulation, we finally have made it to the orangutan area. It has been a long process, 24 hours to be exact, but we are here. We almost didn't make it this morning, did we? Why not?
Because the taxi driver was late.
He was late, so we're finally here walking down to the feeding area. You can hear them calling in the orangs. The howl that we hear are men. But I'm glad to be here, and hopefully we'll have some orangutans at the feedings. We'll soon find out. You hear that? Now it's like a horror show. All right, and we're off. You excited, Michael? To see something? You excited, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally, huh?
We arrived at the viewing platform in the jungle. Within minutes, as if they've set feeding time on their calendars, the acrobatic orangutans swing in from deep in the forest. We have mixed feelings about feeding wild orangutans, but that's a much larger can of worms that we'll leave closed for now. It's amazing to watch the agility and strength of these apes. To put this in perspective, pound for pound, the orangutan has 620% more muscle strength in its arms and legs than a human. Just watch these guys move, and you'll see this remarkable strength in action. These orangutans are wild and live in the nearby jungle. They're fed twice a day by the rangers to offset their diet. If the local trees are fruiting, the orangutans may not come here for extra food. Luckily for us, though, it is currently not fruiting season, and plenty of orangutans are seeking supplemental nutrition. This is a mother with a small baby clinging tightly to her. She nimbly climbs the trees. This young guy seems more interested in playing around than eating, but before long, he decides to stop for a snack.
It's been a really amazing time here in Borneo in the Semengo Nature Reserve. We have seen a little 1-year-old baby orangutan. We have seen huge male with the big cheek phalanges. And we've also seen littering of other unique animals. One lizard that was really cool that had like a mohawk down its back, and a bright green viper in a tree.
Snake.
No, snake, not a viper. It was a tree racer. And I think the guide said that they eat pygmy squirrels. So, not to fear. But still, it was very cool. It was all coiled up in a tree, and then it started climbing throughout the branches. So, we've seen some pretty cool stuff besides the orangutans that we're hoping to see. So, it's been a very awesome trip.
As we are walking back to the car, the ranger spots another male in the woods next to all the cars, eating bananas. This was a large alpha male, known to be aggressive, so we keep a safe distance and leave him to eat in peace. After leaving the orangutans, we head to the cultural village to explore the tribal traditions of the Sarawak people of Borneo. The cultural village consists of traditional buildings that were used by the Sarawak people. We explore these structures and talk to the guides about the history of each place.
What is that? Oh. I would have said those are frogs.
Warrior house or our head house,
Head house.
like our watching tower,
Okay. A watching tower.
not our living house.
Okay.
A living house is the wrong house
Okay.
for our family.
And how did they attach? What is this that they used to attach it here?
I mean the hair
Is that hair? Human
From
hair.
human hair. Yes?
from a palm tree.
Oh, palm tree. I was like, wow.
The
You
hair
guys
of
are
the palm
really,
tree.
really wild. Okay. It's not human hair. That's good. Maybe.
And this
Yeah.
pandanus roof? Pandanus?
The roof
Yes.
Pandanus?
from
Palm frond?
Sego palm tree.
Sago palm.
You
Okay.
know Sego?
Yes, we
Sego
do.
palm tree,
Okay.
not nipa.
Okay.
So our tours of all the different types of houses of the Sarawak region in Borneo has been put on hold. We have a rain delay, so we're hiding out in here until hopefully the rain will subside a little bit and we can continue on our exploration.
At one stop, we get to test our blowgun abilities. It's a lot harder than it looks to hit the target, as we soon find out. Who had the best aim? Depends on who is full of the most hot air. I'll let you decide.
Oh, right in the chest.
Oh, bullseye.
No, that one you got in the chest. You got right on the.
Let's see if we can see it.
Did I? Yeah. All right. Master blow torture.
Oh, that was pretty good. That was a little low, but that was good.
Just because I didn't hear the heart. The chicken's injured. Oh, and you just go kill it.
Okay.
Oh, you can have some chicken wings.
Oh.
Do I even get his foot?
So this house that is behind me is, how many stories tall is it, kids? 4 stories tall this guy is. And this house right here, they can said I think 24, 25 people can live in it. But yes, but the big houses,
200 people.
not this one, I don't think. She said, but the big houses, they can live up to what?
600.
600 people. So
The whole village.
the whole village can live in one of these houses. It takes them a long time to build. It's fairly expensive, I guess. And come over here and help me out.
And they said, she told us that if you're within the village, since they all live together, even Muslims live alongside with Christians and pagans. They all live in the same house.
All live in the same house.
So,
It's yeah, it's pretty interesting actually. But this is again in Borneo, so we're talking about the jungle living here. We're not talking about the peninsula of Malaysia. This is in the bush. These guys live in the bush. These big tree houses, and it's pretty amazing stuff.
but now they live in cement houses, she said.
Yeah,
And they
it's-
all live in separate houses.
And it's too expensive to build these houses anymore, I think, because of the wood.
Ironwood, yeah.
It's ironwood, so it's pretty hardcore stuff. Anyway, pretty neat house. We like it. Boom. The ultimate tree house.
Each tribal village offers a stamp for the kids to put in their Sarawak passport booklets. And the kids are determined to visit every single one. Mark is the first of the family to test his rhythmic skills with this traditional game. While we grew up with hopscotch and jump rope, the kids in Sarawak, Borneo grew up dancing between bamboo. Soon, everyone gives it a try and enjoys a good laugh.
Sorry. That's so fun. Is that for just a game that you play in the? They used to play.
The village.
Very cool.
Okay, Cassie. Thank you, guys.
Our final stop for the day is an old Chinese farmhouse.
That Michael.
This device is used to grind pepper into powder and is the original one used almost a century ago. It's been a busy day with lots of learning and exploring. Our time in Kuching is coming to a close, as we'll be leaving in the morning to sail to Miri. There, we'll explore a World Heritage Site located deep in the Borneo jungle, mainly accessible by small propeller planes.